We are ready. We're going to jump to the fourth quarter that I recorded. So we're just welcome everybody to the fourth quarter. We are winning 49-35. Why are you leaving Lowry open when he's hot tonight? 52-35. And my question is, are they in danger of blowing another 3-1 lead? Well, when we left the wrong guy open for three, it's Klay Thompson. And the Raptors are definitely not giving up. I'm just going to begin each game from the fourth quarter, just if you're wondering. Kind of like that format. Seems to be the most interesting quarter to record. Almost intercepted, nice pass. Oh no! Seth left his brother open, and he should know that for when they play one-on-one. But did his brother know to leave him open? Maybe not. Toronto leads by 13. I just in the future it's going to be like this with the Jones. Tyus and Trey Jones, maybe they'll play against each other in the finals. Curry open again for three, no good. And the animated 13 to work. No good, rebound by DeMar DeRozan. And then they leave LeBron open for the basket. Back to Thompson. And they need to start making some shots here. Back to Seth Curry. He lost the ball. And then, no good, he misses a shot. And then he tips it, and a foul on Curry. Well, he didn't even do anything. You know what? I'm going to cheat on here. Oh, maybe he didn't get there quick enough. 25 seconds to go. He didn't get the Curry. And it's going to be in there. And I think that, you know what time it is. I think that the Warriors already know what time it is too. It'll be a 3-2 series. Oh, what the? I'm going to throw an interception. Good night. What? What a shot.